Remember, remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. If you are in England in early November, you may see and hear firework displays and people gathering round bonfires. This is to commemorate the failure of the so-called Gunpowder Plot to blow up the English Houses of Parliament in 1605. On the night of November the 4th, 1605, following a tip-off through an anonymous letter, Guy Fawkes was caught guarding 36 barrels of gunpowder in a cellar beneath the Houses of Parliament. The conspirators of the Gunpowder Plot were Roman Catholics who opposed the lack of religious tolerance under King James I. They planned to assassinate James and his government by blowing up the House of Lords during the state opening of Parliament on November the 5th, 1605. This was to be the start of a series of actions across England that would lead to the installation of James's daughter Elizabeth as a new Catholic head of state. Fawkes and 7 others were tried and convicted of treason and executed in January 1606. His head was among those displayed on pikes at London Bridge. Within months, Parliament had established November the 5th as a national day of thanksgiving called Gunpowder Treason Day. It was made illegal not to join in the celebrations. The act remained in force until 1859. Despite losing its status as a national holiday, Bonfire Night remains a popular celebration across England. Guy Fawkes wasn't the lead conspirator, but as he was the one caught red-handed, he is the one whose name has become synonymous with the celebrations. A Bonfire Night tradition was that children would make a dummy of Guy Fawkes and ask people for money, a penny for the guy. Going from door to door, asking for money, was already a custom for the poor on All Souls' Day, and a similar tradition existed in Ireland during Halloween. As the tradition of making a dummy grew in popularity, Guy became a word to mean any oddly dressed person. Then in the 20th century, it became the commonly used slang word of today, as a way of referring to any male person. It may seem odd that we celebrate something not blowing up with fireworks and bonfires, but the timing of the events of 1605 meant that Protestants could hijack some of the customs of Halloween, which was seen as a more Catholic festival. Finally, despite his infamy, in 2002, the public voted Guy Fawkes the 30th greatest Brit of all time.